All right, I want you to watch me, okay? As we do the agility ladder. You gotta get speed. If you're gonna be great athletes, you have to be fast. Watch my feet. I'm gonna do it simple first. Watch, I'm gonna go through just one at a time. Just simple, okay? Turn around, again, simple. Just one square at a time, 1 foot in each square. See that? Okay, watch it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very simple. That can go sideways. Boom, 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 boom. Watch that, okay? Again, sideways, sideways. I'm going sideways now. Keep my feet up, sideways. I don't want to touch any of the squares. If I did, forgive me. Now I'm going to go high, 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 high. Turn. Again, watch my legs. High, up, 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 up. Yeah. Okay. And I can do it this way too. Turn around. Do it this way, okay? I'm going back and forth. Are you watching me? Again. Yeah. Yeah. Getting faster. Getting faster. Stop. Measure your time, all right? Do it again. Faster, 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 faster. Nice, nice, nice. Okay. Now I can do lots of things. I can go in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. Turn. Again. In, out. Yeah. In, out. In, out. Nice. In, out. And then when you've got that down pat, you can chant as you go. Ah, eh, ah, ah. Master those vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Ah, yeah. Yeah. A, E, I, O, U. That wasn't too good, right? I can do it up. A, E, I, O, U. 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 That's just my vowels. I can do all types of exercises with these, okay? But the bottom line is, I want you to learn and then how to move through these. Now watch. I'm gonna punch in the next exercise. I'm gonna show you how to punch your way through the agility ladder.